Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So let's start on it now. Door doesn't lock or unlock, multiple things can cause that, we'll talk about that, but first guys, let's explain which fuses you need to check because it could be super simple fix. Go ahead and open the hood, and once you guys open the hood, here on the driver's side you see that's your car battery. In front of it you have the main fuse box. Here you need to press a couple taps at the same time, lift that cover, and underneath you will find the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge Ram, fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. So we need to check a couple fuses, then we need to explain about something else. Guys, please make sure to stay until the end. We want to give you one quick advice so you don't end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere like it happened to us. The fuse that you need to check for the central locking is fuse number 14. You will also, guys, need to check fuse number CB1. This is circuit breaker fuse number 1. Very special fuse, check it as well. Other things that can cause door not to lock or unlock sometimes can be caused by a bad door lock switch, or most of the times, guys, will be that device right here. This is known as a door lock actuator. Practically that closes your door, that locks it, unlocks it. It has a motor that turns, and often it has plastic gears on the inside that crack, skip, okay, or the motor burns, and it may not lock or unlock the door because of a bad door lock actuator. In some cases we've seen where a bad key can cause that as well, but those will be the main things that we usually start checking here at the garage. So guys, you have all kinds of different fuses and relays. Some of those are very specific, they're hard to find, especially if you're in a small town or in the middle of nowhere. One time we needed a replacement, we couldn't find one, and we were stuck in the middle of nowhere for a few days until we got a shipment on the internet, guys. So keep some spares in your glove box for peace of mind. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.